What is opportunistic investing, and who are the most successful investors? Is it traders or long-term holders, long-term investors? Well, the most successful long-term investors are also traders. So they're opportunistic. They take the opportunity to get in and to get out. They buy low, sell high, and they're constantly rebalancing. So they are taking advantages of the opportunities when markets are at their peak and near the top, and they're selling and then buying back in at the bottom to increase their holdings, to increase their portfolio and their long-term hold opportunities. So the most successful investors of all time, if you go back and look at what their strategies are, they are always traders, and they're getting in and out. Sometimes it's one or two trades a year, maybe one or two trades a month, could be one or two trades in 5 or 10 years, just depending on who you're talking about and what their strategy is. But take a minute and Google who are the most successful investors of all time, and you'll see in any market, whether it's real estate, whether it's stock markets, whether it's commodities, you will see that the greats, the wealthiest, the most successful of all time are traders. They're in and out, they're opportunistic, they buy low, sell high, and they're constantly rebalancing. They're pairing off the top and buying more assets at the bottom. So think about it. It really doesn't make sense to hold on to an asset forever and ever and never do anything with it, depending on what it is. And if it's stocks or commodities or cryptocurrencies or even real estate, what you want to do is, if you have an asset that you believe in that has long-term value, you want to sell that asset when it has the most value, and then buy when the asset reprices at lower values so that you can add to that portfolio for the long term. So to buy something and hang on to it forever and never sell and never grow it is not always the best approach. Now, everybody's different, everybody has different strategies, and I'm just saying, when you look at the most successful investors of all time, whether they're in real estate, stocks, commodities, doesn't matter what it is, they are constantly rebalancing their opportunities, and they're always adding to their portfolios. And a lot of times the best way to do it is to sell at a peak and then buy more and then keep doing it. And same thing with real estate. You can buy and sell, build and sell, and scale up the chain with real estate assets. You can grow your cash to take advantage of other assets. You can build a business, grow a business, exit that business, and redeploy that cash into other assets. So there's a lot of ways to do it. It can be business, real estate, markets. It really doesn't matter. The key is, think about maximizing your opportunity, maximizing the returns on your investment. And if you believe in an asset, then you should be doing everything you can to grow your base in that asset, even if it means rebalancing and harvesting profits to reinvest at a lower price point when that asset reprices, so that you can accumulate more. So think about that, study the best. That's the best way to achieve success, to grow your portfolio, is study the best of all time in any industry, whatever industry it is that you're in, and then do what they're doing. Copy what they do from people that have been there, done that, are where you want to be, or heading where you want to head.